Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going straight into something that affects, well, a lot of us at home.
Yep, keeping things warm and safe.
Exactly. We're doing a deep dive into furnace care, looking at some great material from the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing.
Right.
And we're really focusing on two things today: the actual tangible benefits of getting your furnace service regularly.
And why choosing a local expert is such a smart move.
We want to keep this simple. The goal is for you to walk away knowing exactly how to keep your heating system running at its best.
And our source here, Pacific Blue Mechanical, they know their stuff. They serve Vancouver and British Columbia and have like over 500 Google reviews. So a lot of experience to draw from.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Why should you pay for maintenance? I mean, if it isn't broken, don't fix it, right?
Not quite. The sources are really clear that regular checkups are vital for two big reasons.
Let me guess. Making it last longer and keeping bills low.
That's the foundation. Extended lifespan and, better efficiency. But that's where it starts to get really interesting. Oh, because consistent maintenance, it does more than just save you money. It's a huge factor for safety and your indoor air quality.
So it prevents those bad surprises.
Exactly, like a sudden breakdown on the coldest night of the year, and you just get better, more consistent heat. You're just more comfortable.
Okay, so what stands out to you from the website? What are the signs that you need to call an expert, like right now?
Well, there are a few big ones. If you hear loud noises, banging, rattling, that sort of thing,
right.
Or if your energy bills just suddenly shoot up for no reason. But the most critical one for safety,
The pilot light.
the pilot light. If it's yellow instead of blue, that's a serious red flag. It means it's time to call a pro immediately.
That actually brings us right to our second point: the power of local expertise.
Yes. So let's connect this to the bigger picture. Why should you choose someone local, say, for an area like South Vancouver?
Local knowledge really matters, doesn't it? The area has its own unique challenges.
What do you mean?
Well, you've got this mix of older homes and brand new ones, plus that damp coastal climate we all know. It really impacts how furnaces run.
So a local expert understands the common problems you'd see there.
Yeah, things like thermostat issues or clogged filters from all the moisture in the air. And they know the local building codes, which is a huge deal.
Okay. That raises a really important question then. When you choose local, you're getting advice that's actually tailored to you.
Right, not just generic advice.
They know the specific heating needs for a home in South Vancouver, making sure your system is safe and efficient, despite the crazy weather shifts we get.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener?
I think the takeaways are pretty clear.
Keep your furnace clean, first off, and really look out for those warning signs. Don't ignore loud noises or especially gas smells.
And trust local experts. Find someone who really knows the climate where you live.
Absolutely.
Knowledge is most valuable when you can actually understand it and apply it. So here's a final thought for everyone. If the South Vancouver climate makes furnace knowledge so specific, so localized, think about this. What other services in your life, maybe landscaping, maybe car repair, could benefit from that same deep local expertise?
That's a great point. Something to think about until next time.
For sure.
Thanks for diving deep with us.